Welcome to Ava's Wonder World. Hello, today we're gonna do an art that's called MÅLA. You can first color and you have to take them out and put them together. So I'm gonna tell you the first step. Can you help me open this so it'll be easy to open? See, I have very sharp claws. She's able to cut through paper or anything else too. Then this paper, I'll just show this first. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna take some parts out. There we go. Now we can choose which one we want. Now we're gonna take out the houses, just like this. Pop them out. Remember not to tear any of them. Just put it out like this. If you want to the top one, just have to turn it, put the other side. Then it'll be up. I'm gonna try to take out the others. Then we'll move on to the last step. Oops, I almost forgot to take out the second shoe. Always remember to check before you throw them away. Might be a last tree over there. All you just need to do is to check it. After you check it, done, I'll move on to the next step later. These piles are tree. These piles are our houses. Now we have a last house. Looks. It's a police. First one. Yes. Fold them like this. Fold them. Fold. And fold. And fold. Fold. And fold it again. And fold it again. There you go. Just use me 4, 4, and 4, and 4, and 4. Now you take this one inside. You see this big corner? You see? You put the one that spans inside the corner. There you go. So then you make sure that inside is supposed to be this inside. So you're gonna do the outside. So so here we go, top. So now we're gonna do we got a house. Now we need to do the tree. Now we have to make this tree. And this tree matches this one. So the one that below have a gap, the tree like this, just put it on top of the other. Beside it. Now let's make another one. For this one, the same. This is how you make it. We can make a house, we make a tree. This is how you do it. Time for some magic. When I snap my fingers, your building will be done. 1 and 2 and 3. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.